Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to talk about how to take a Zoom meeting and actually one button to push enable a Cisco video endpoint using that Zoom meeting. We're going to talk about why this works, how it works. There's obviously a lot of benefits to using Cisco Webex with Cisco endpoints, but in a pinch you can certainly use Cisco endpoints, which give you a really rich experience, in-room experience, far greater than a lid camera or something like that, with a platform that typically you just use on a phone or use on a laptop. So with that being said, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Let's dive in and check it out firsthand. All right, so here we have a Zoom invite. It is basically the same thing you'd expect with a WebEx invite. The links and so forth, dial-in information are all inside of the body of the invite, and this is just inside of Microsoft Outlook. One thing I will point out that the same methodology, if you will, that makes one button to push work in WebEx is built into Zoom as well, and that is simply just a SIP URI in the proper format. And I'll actually include a document that describes that format in the video notes section or video description section there. But here it is. This is a SIP URI for the Zoom meeting that we're going to join. Take note that you do have to have Zoom Pro or their advanced package, and you have to add this on. It's not included like it is with WebEx, but that's really all that's required. So now let's jump over to the endpoint, and I'll show you the join experience firsthand there as well. All right, so here we are in front of an endpoint provisioned. It's registered to the WebEx cloud. It has one button to push enabled. If you look at the touch 10 of the device, you will see the green join button there as well. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and press that join button. I actually have one of our banking customers already in the meeting. We'll dial in and we'll be in the meeting. Here we go. Takes a second to ring through. Do the Zoom address there.
You are in the Zoom meeting now.
And there we are. We're in with the participants that are already in the meeting. Now, I will point out that this also works with the WebEx Assistant features, so I could actually ask the endpoint to join the meeting for me. Okay, WebEx, join the meeting.
Sure thing. Joining now.
Same thing will be dialed in to the meeting.
You are in the Zoom meeting now.
So the experience is very similar to what you would expect on WebEx. There are a couple caveats, particularly if folks are already in the meeting, their avatars don't appear. There's a couple other WebEx nice to have features, such as the recording button that appears on the touch 10. A couple things like that, but all in all, it's still a SIP call, and Cisco endpoints can make SIP calls all day long. So that's really all there is to it. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how to get more out of your meetings experience by using Cisco video endpoints. If you have questions, comments, other tips or tricks, be sure to leave them in the video comments section. I always love to hear from my viewers. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back here sometime soon.